In this video, Sean goes bouncy.
Stop playing on it then. If you look at the windows, they've got bars on the inside around.
I find strange bars on the inside of the window in this abandoned house. Sean takes risks on dodgy floors. I climb through a hole. I risk my life on the dodgy beams. And I try to climb down ladder that's going to break on me.
Abandoned houses in one spot. So we just found this one here. You got one over there. So let's go and explore.
We have walked over it. Yeah. This is not the kind of plastering there. Pulled them off my knee and now the...
Oh dear.
No, I didn't see any stairs. Only seen one floor.
The bathroom would have been. Might be in that room then, maybe.
Sweeting up me. Ooh, wobble.
Stop playing on it then.
I know.
No. This is a house, abandoned house. The thing got me. If you look at the windows, they've got bars on the inside around. It's the first house there. So we're now heading to the second. You fucker. I'm in one of the rooms. Big window. Yeah. Little cellar. So this is the bathroom, well, toilet. Yeah.
Maybe. It's safe, I'll just walk on it.
Yeah. So I just climbed up that, and now a little hole in the wall to get round to the rest of the part of the building.
Yeah, well, this bit goes off, yeah.
Yeah, it's just these edges.
Yeah, but I'm not going any better that way.
Okay, now.
Yeah.
This is where you...
Top of the wall and swing your leg round
To that bit.
to that bit, yeah.
Fucking hell. Why is she in section where it's collapsed?
Yeah.
How the hell do you get on that side?
Okay.
How do you get on that side?
I walked round, then...
Oh, all the way round?
Yeah, my thing is... I mean, you could try and shimmy across these, but you've got nails that chip over them.
Yeah.
So you don't stand on that bit. You stand on that wood there and keep yourself supported on that wall.
Things I do for videos.
I know, don't worry about it. I'm not going any, I mean, I've looked out a window, but I'm not going any further than that.
Yeah.
That's the other end of that story. Oodie. Oop. Oh shit, I've got myself at wrong angle here, you know.
Boogeyman's coming.
Hug the wall! Hug the wall!
Yeah.
Backwards, yeah. Look, yeah, camera again. Yeah.
Just backwards.
Just backwards, yeah, just do it in reverse, rewind.
That's what she said.
No.
Reverse, reverse cowgirl.
Ladies with us, so it's not the one with the toe.
They're just as bad.
That's very... I made it. The hell?
One building.
I know. I don't know. Well, I would say storage, but it's a bit wide. No, a bit long.
Chicken coop.
Hard to say, isn't it?
Yeah. It's got an outside ground to it. Unless they use this for like, I don't know, like farm stuff.
No, but it's only got narrow doors to get in and out.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video of 2 abandoned houses hidden in the trees, and see you in the next video.